everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue with my Bath & Body Works collection, my inventory, as you will. Today it's not going to be as big as long as my shower gels. Today we're just going to discuss what body scrubs, lotions, and creams I have. And it's not as many as the bath and shower gels. And then I'm just going to stop this here. This little, I don't know. I may come back and do body sprays. I probably will. I'll probably come back and do the body sprays. But for now, let's just deal with what I've got going on. First, I have my body scrubs. I only have 3. I have one that's in a project pan. For the year 25 and 25, and that's my Gingham Fresh body scrub, so that's going to go back in the shower. Other than that, oh, let me tell you notes. This one is Juicy Pear, Sparkling Clementine, and Fresh Daisies. So you know what, that would be the notes on the body gel, the bath gels, because it didn't have notes on it. I said it smelled green. It does, smells nice. I do actually. You know what this is kind of reminding me of? Happy by Clinique, a little bit. It smells a little bit like Happy. That's what I'm getting out of that. Okay, I have 2 more. I have Pink Pineapple Sunrise. And the notes of this one is sweet pineapple, palm sugar, and sun-drenched nectar. Smells nice. I like that. And then the only other one I have is Perfect Peony. And this one is Pink Lady Apple, Sorbet Peony, and Vanilla Sandalwood. Now I have other body scrubs in my collection, but they are not Bath & Body Works. That smells really nice. That's what I'm just focusing on today, my Bath & Body Works. Not my whole collection, just what I have in Bath & Body Works. Next, let me show you my lotions I have. I think this is it for Bath & Body Works. Yeah, I got everything right here. I've got Sea Island Cotton. And let's see, do I have notes on this? It says it's inspired by cotton flowing in the fresh air. There's no notes on this. Let me just look. It smells fine, looks fine. I know a lot of people say you have little problems with your cream, and for some reason I'm not really having issues with my body creams. So I have that one. I have Sunset Glow. Sunset Glow is fresh coconut. Coconut is in a lot of my things. Sparkling Cherry Seltzer. Sparkling Cherry Seltzer. Dreamy Moonflower, and Caramelized Vanilla. Yeah. It smells nice. Need to use that one. I need to use them all. That's why they're here. Into the Night. This one is Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. That has a very it's kind of got like a fruity, but a little smoky fruity. Smoky might not be the word. It's a warm fruity scent. It's very different. Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale has pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and warm amber. Yeah, I really like Fairy Tale. That's a good one. Fairy Tale. I have coconut pineapple, shaved coconut, fresh pineapple, and sugar cane. Yep. It smells yummy. There we go. And then Plumeria. Plumeria is Pink Plumeria, Peach Nectar, Red Apple, Night Blooming Jasmine, and Gardenia Petals. Smells yummy. They look fine. Now, I have some lotions here. I am not a lotion gal. I don't care for Bath and Body Works lotions. And I think you can see here, this is an, I think it really, is that a really old one or is that a new one? I don't know. This one is Caribbean Escape. There's no notes on it. Smells okay and it looks okay. I've got to use these. I've got to use them. So there's that. There's frosted coconut snowball. This is not that old, I don't think. Frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, winter freesia, snow kissed woods, and sponge sugar. This one looks okay. It smells okay. Coconut lime verbena. Love coconut lime. This doesn't have notes on it. These are old. It smells okay. Looks okay. Probably I need to use that up like it's. And then Paris Nights. I'm just not a fan of Bath and Body Works lotion. I'm not a lotion fan. I like a heavier cream. But this smells okay. It looks okay. I need to use. This one looks newer. It just says rose. Airy rose water blended with jasmine petals and creamy musk. Yeah, this looks fine. This smells just like straight up roses. I actually like this. I like that scent. This reminds me of a lotion from my childhood. Straight up roses. I actually like that. I like that a lot. And then this sucker, I think is the oldest. Bali Mango. Look at the shape of it. Let's see if it's okay. Looks to be okay. Actually smells okay. Yeah, so that's it. I am giving myself a little. I'm going to add to my 25 and 25. I'm going to add. I'm taking something out of my 25 and 25, and I will tell you about it. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you that I'm going to add this in. And this is going to be the only rolling thing in this pan, because I'm going to include all of the 5 others. My goal this year is to get all of this out of my collection. I don't care for lotion, but I'm going to slather my body in this stuff and get it out of my collection. I need to use it. These are all still good. I know in the past, probably last year, I threw some stuff away that was just old and gone bad. I never buy myself these lotions. I'm giving them as presents, and I'm very appreciative of that, but I'm gonna have to make myself use them. My creams all look fine. They're not that old. I think I'm okay. So my goal is, I've got something in my project pan that's a body cream that it's going to get used up real soon, and then we're just going to focus on these lotions. So I will update you guys on that project pan on my 20 and 25 soon. But yeah, that's it. So that's, oh, I have 2 hand creams. I have At the Beach. No notes on that. And then I have Bahamas, which is passion fruit and banana flower. So I have these 2 hand creams I need to use at some point. I'm not in a big hurry with that. I have another hand cream in my purse right now that is not Bath and Body Works. When that hand cream is gone, I will just pull one of these. So yeah, now that's it. That's my Bath and Body Works collection, except for the body sprays. I will film that later and I will put that up for you. I'm not sure how much longer it'll be. I don't know when it'll be, but it'll be coming soon. I'll film that. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.